Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Welcome to Kettle Queen. So today I'm going to prepare chicken popcorn, which is KFC style. Okay, so this is 150 to 200 gram of boneless chicken. Add some turmeric powder to it, some salt, some chicken masala powder, red chili powder, black pepper, then some ginger powder, some ginger garlic paste, then some mustard oil, then some lemon juice. Okay, I'm adding about half of a lemon juice. Now just mix this properly. Okay, now marinate this for about half an hour. Okay, so now in a plate or bowl, just take some half cup of maida and half quantity of corn flour. Okay, that means if you are adding half cup of maida, then add 1/4 cup of corn flour. Okay, now add some salt to it, some turmeric powder, some black pepper, chicken masala powder, red chili powder, and finally some ginger powder. Now by using the spoon, just mix this really well and keep it aside. Okay, yes guys, it's been half an hour. Now take one piece of chicken. This is the all-purpose and the corn flour mixture. Okay, so really coat this well with this. This is egg. Okay, so now this is breadcrumbs. So prepare all the chickens like this. Coat this very well. Okay, yes guys, now we have coated this really well. Now we're going to fry it. Okay, oil should be very hot for this. Okay, now add the pieces very carefully. Okay, so we'll fry them till they turn light golden color and crispy. Okay, guys, so let's check this out. Okay, so these are ready. So now take this out to a plate. And fry them all. Okay, like this. I have fried all the chicken popcorns. Okay, look how crispy they are. You can guess that from the sound only. Okay, so please try this recipe and let me know how it goes for you. Bye bye, take care. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe.